welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing this berry date night look for you. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. Gone in with some moisturizer. I'm going to take a primer now, and the one I'm going in with is by KatVonD, and it's the hydrating primer, which is this one here. So the next product I'm going to go in with is a foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using today is by Marissa, and it's her half measure dewy foundation, and this one is in shortbread, and it just looks like that. So I'm going to set that foundation using a setting powder, and this one is in Natural, and it's by Marissa, and it just looks like that. Bronzer now, and the one I'm taking is by Bourjois, and it just looks like that. Bronzer, and this one is by TheBalm, and it's Bahamama. So next I'm going to take a brightening concealer, and this one is by Marissa, and it's in Marshmallow, and it just looks like that. Contour palette, and this one is by KatVonD, and it's the Shade and Light contour palette, which is this one here, and they are the colors, and that's what the palette looks like on the inside. So I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade to contour with. take the banana shade here. Blusher, and this one is by Primark, and it's their Sweet Peach blusher, which is this one here, and that is what it looks like. So next I'm going to take a highlighter, and the highlighter I'm going to go in with is by Fenty Beauty, which is this one here. I'm going to go in with the deeper peachy shade, which is this one here. And this one is in Chic Freak. Eyeshadow palette, and this one is by Huda Beauty, and it's this one here, and it's the Rose Gold Edition palette, and they are the gorgeous shades in the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing on the eyes. So I'm just going to apply They all over the eyelid. Take Shy, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease of the eyelid. So next I'm just going to go in with Man Eater, which is this shade here. Which is this shade here. Off, I'm going to go in with a lipstick, and I'm going to take a liquid matte lipstick, and this one is by Wet n Wild, and it is in Very Recognize, and it just looks like that. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye.